Most religions say this is how you get to God, but Christianity says God came to us. And here's why it matters to you, because what you believe about the incarnation, it shapes how you relate to God every day. Because if God stays distant, if he's just far off, then your faith is just about your behavior. If God is distant, then your faith is just about trying harder, doing better, cleaning yourself up to become acceptable to a distant God. But if God came close, then your faith is about relationship. Because you're not dealing with a distant God, you're dealing with a close God. Your faith, if he came close, your faith is about trusting and surrender. Step into the real parts of your life. You see, if God did not come close, then your pain is just something that he observes from a distance. If God did not come close, then every weakness you have disqualifies you from being close to him. That distance just gets wider and wider. If God did not come close, then prayer is just you shouting in the dark and hoping that the universe hears you. But if God came close, then your suffering, it's understood. Your weaknesses are not a deal breaker. And then prayer is the conversation with a real someone who has walked your road. And that's why this matters. It's not just theology. This is about whether God is near enough to matter on a Tuesday afternoon. It's about whether God's near enough to matter in your anxiety, in your temptation, in your exhaustion, in your doubt.